Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I have said in the previous video that will start soon, let us start today with number 1 from this book, which is Pyrthei Baroh. It is in the key of D with ordinary chords. We have introduced just a diminished chord here, otherwise the rest are as usual. I will play once and then the second time will be sung along with the playing. Those who want to see the notation, the staff notation, I will put it in my description. You can click on the link. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Jesus.